Hi, how are you and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video we're going to see about arrays in JavaScript. And one more thing we're going to see how we can reverse an array, right? So now before wasting any much of the time, let's get started with this topic, arrays in JavaScript. So basically what is an array? Array is a collection of variables of same data type that are referenced by a common name. A specific element in an array is accessed by an index, right? Now I will explain you this line. It's a collection of variable of same data type, right? So here you can see that the data type is const, right? And basically it's a this arr array is a collection of these variables, right? It has these values as computer, laptop, speaker and charger, right? And the data type is the const one, right? Now if we'll talk about the index, so basically here the index number is 0, here the index number is 1, this one is 2 and this one is 3, right? So if we can say that what is the length of this array, right? We'll also see the length of an array, right? So basically the array length is 4, right? And the index from which it is started from 0 to 3, right? 0 1 2 and 3. So the length of this array is 4. Now I will open my terminal to show you how this looks like, right? I'll write node array.js. This is my file name actually, and then I'm going to run this file. So here you can see that my array was computer, laptop, speaker and charger, right? Now I will explain you this code. Just a second. Yes, basically in the console log statement, when you'll just print this array, so this will look like this one. I'm highlighting it in the terminal, right? Whatever array you have defined, you will get that in your terminal. If you want to access a particular element, right, from an array, you need to mention the index number, right? Here let's say you want to print this computer only, right? So we know that it is at the 0th position, 0th index number. Let's say you need to print this speaker, so you're going to count from here 0 1 and this 2, right? So if you write arr2, so here you will get this speaker, right? And in the terminal also I'll show you that at this position I'm getting a speaker. Similarly you can get the output for the laptop and then for the charger as well, right? Now let's say you want to calculate the length of an array. For that you'll simply going to write array dot length. This will give the length of an array. So here you can see that the length is the 4. In the terminal I'm highlighting it over here. You can also see that it is in the yellow in color. The length it is showing as 4, and this one is 1 2 3 and 4, but the index number is 0 1 2 and 3. So you need to remember this thing, right? Now how you can reverse an array. Let's say you have this array computer, laptop, speaker and charger, and you want to reverse it, that you want that the charger will come first, then the speaker, then laptop and then computer. So you can write like this one, arr, this is the array, and then you're going to write dot reverse. You will going to use the reverse method. So in this way, if you will use this reverse method and then when you will use this in the console log, this array will going to be reversed and you will get the reversed array in your terminal when you run this file, as here I'm highlighting it. Charger comes first, then speaker, then laptop and then this computer, right? So I hope guys that you have liked this video, and in case you have any doubts you can ask the same in the comment section and I'll be happy to answer it. So thank you, that's all for this video, and I'll hope to meet you soon in the next video. Thanks for now.